Let's make rustic squash and Italian sausage soup. It's the coziest soup for a chilly fall night. It has spicy Italian sausage, winter squash roasted to perfection with herbs and spices, potatoes, and spinach, in a creamy broth that will keep you warm and toasty. Let's get started. First, we'll prepare the squash. My friend gave me these 2 squash from her garden. I have no idea what they are. If any of you have an idea, please let me know in the comments. This is about 2 pounds of squash. I'm going to slice up the squash, remove the seeds, and then peel them. This one with the ribs is a little more difficult to peel for sure. Dice the squash into bite-sized pieces. Then I'll toss them with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and 1 teaspoon each of these spices: thyme, rosemary, sage, and half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. I'll put the seasoned squash on this baking sheet I've lined with parchment paper. This goes in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the squash is softened. While the squash is roasting, let's make an optional garnish. In a small skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add fresh sage leaves and fry until crispy, just a few minutes. Put on a paper towel-lined plate to drain and set aside for later. Now let's make the soup. In a large soup pot over medium heat, add a package of bulk Italian sausage. This package is a little less than 1 pound. I like it hot, but you can also use mild if you like. I'm going to cook the sausage and crumble it using my handy meat masher. Once that's almost cooked, add half an onion diced, about 3 medium carrots diced, and 3 stalks of celery diced. Cook that until the vegetables start to soften. The squash is done, so I'll take it out of the oven and set it aside. Add 4 cloves of chopped garlic and cook for just a minute until the garlic becomes fragrant. And then add half a cup of dry sherry. Stir and scrape to get all that flavor from browning the sausage. Add about 1 pound of diced baby potatoes and stir until coated. And then add 6 cups of chicken stock. Turn up the heat to high and bring the soup to a boil. Then lower the heat and simmer until the potatoes are cooked, about 15 minutes. When the potatoes are done, add in the squash. Optionally, you can mash some of the squash and potatoes to make smaller pieces. Last, I'll add about 2 handfuls of chopped baby spinach and stir until wilted, and then add half a cup of heavy cream. Stir until the cream is heated, and then you're done. This soup is so fragrant and tasty. I wish you were here so I could dish you up a bowl. To serve, crumble some of the crispy sage leaves over the soup. Add some freshly cracked black pepper as well. And that's the rustic squash and sausage soup. You can find the full printable recipe in the description box below. If you learned anything from this video, please give it a like and share it with a friend. And if YouTube has added it in your region, please give it some hype. Once again, thanks to all of you for watching today, and we'll see you in the next video. I have lots of soup recipes, and here are a couple of compilations for a rainy day.